Let's find the value of x here. You observe that each case you have 3 raised to power root of 3. That means you have 1, 2, 3. So don't waste your time. Just write 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power root of 3. Root of 3x, and it equals to 27 to the power of root of 3x. Now let us start to bring all the x in one side. So now if you like, divide both sides by this or this, well, choose this. Divide both sides by 27 to the power root of 3x. 27 to the power of root of 3x. So everything here goes. And also multiply everything by 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So this is the implication. This one goes. So the left hand side, now we have 3 raised to the power root of 3x over 27 to the power of root of 3x equals to 1 over 3. So they have common power, that's means multiply with 3 over 27, all raised to the power of root of 3. Root of 3x equals to 1 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 9. So it is now give us 1 over 9 to the power of root of 3x. Everything will be equals to 1 over 3. So this one I can write it in the form of 3 raised to the power minus 2 root 3x, and be equals to 3 raised to the power minus 1. I'll explain. 9 is 3 squared, and when you eliminate the reciprocal, you have minus 2 here. So this and this will cancel out. The equation now becomes minus 2 root 3x, which is equals to minus 1. So minus and minus will cancel out. And from here, root of 3x will be equals to 1 over 2. We're looking for x, and here we have a radicand here. What you do here is square both sides. You do that, this and this will go. What we have 3x will be equals to 1 over 4. And to get it now, divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So x now will be equals to 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 3. When you change, remember it's over 1. If you change the sign, you now reverse the fraction. So let us get the final answer here, please. So x now will be equals to 1 times 1, 1 over 4 times 3, 12. And this is the answer. Bye bye. Please give me a like.